All right, welcome back. We're back out at the apartment project. We're about 90 days in. We are wrapping this thing up. We are so close to being done. I mean, landscape, roofs, we're putting on the gutters, we're finishing up a couple of the buildings of the HVAC and the trim out. We have this whole building is filled with tenants right now. We're already moving people in here. One thing we haven't really discussed about this project is how we got it leased up so quickly, right? And it was really what we call a forcing function. So we had this project, we weren't sure what to do with it, we were about to get started, and we were approached by a company that was looking for housing for military people. We have a military base that's about a mile away, and so they're looking for, when people come here to train and they stay for months or even a year at a time, they need somewhere nice to stay. So they had a government contract. We've got a piece of property that needed everything that they had, or that we had everything they wanted. And so we made a deal. And so that's why we got it done so quick, because it was a forcing function. We had people that had to move in here. And in fact, we're behind the power curve. These units back here are completely leased up, and they're just waiting on us for people to move in all the rest of these units. I want to walk around right now and show you guys some of the progress that we've done and some of the things we still have to complete. Let's go take a look. Check out this building. We've got the names or the signage up there for all the rooms, what number they are. Look, the landscape's done, the painting's done, the gutters are going up today. Really, really exciting. Let's go in one of these units. This is our building that's furthest from being done. So the absolute farthest from being done. Let's go in here and take a look and see what we got. Well, we can't even get in. Come on in. Look. I'm talking about ready to go appliances. We got the countertops in already, guys. Holy cow. Can you see in here? You can see? Look, we've got the cabinets, granites in. So everything that we need to trim this building out is inside here, and it's ready to go. Toilet's ready to be set. I mean, looks fantastic. So like I said, this is the last building that needs to get done. We're working our way around in a circle, but looks like in the next couple days, they're gonna get in here and trim this sucker out. Look how many people we got out here working. Every time you guys check in on this video, I've got tens of thousands of dollars in workers out here every single day. We've spent an average of over $20,000 per day on this project for the last 3 months. Sprinklers running, they look great. We got the new lines out here painted. Oof, looks pretty good. Okay, so this particular building, everyone's already moved in. We have actual people living here. That's what some of these vehicles are right here, right? And I can tell that the sprinklers are working really good because we've already got weeds popping up. I mean, it's been a week or so. That's a good sign. That means it's getting a lot of water, exactly what we needed. Looks really good. See the exterior lighting? All right, here's some free chicken for you. I'll talk to you about exterior lighting, okay? When you're doing a project that's got a community feel to it, whether it's an apartment complex, a short-term rental, a commercial property, heck, even on some of your residential rentals, what I love to do is dusk to dawn lighting. Okay, that means that when it gets dark outside, the light's got a little sensor on it that's already gonna kick on, and in the morning when it gets light, it'll turn off. Okay, and you can get dusk to dawn bulbs to put in your old fixtures that are already on your property now, so you don't have to update them. What that does is it throws light no matter what time of night it is outside. So if people are arriving at your property, if you're stepping outside, you don't have to turn a switch on. When you pull up, it's already on, okay? Here's even more free chicken. Look at these LEDs now, no bulbs to change, no anything. There's just a diode in there. That's gonna give you years and years and years of not having to change a bulb. It's good stuff. Come on, let's go. We got bikes chained up out here. I hear dogs barking already. These roses look like they got zapped pretty good. I almost don't want to go in here because it's going to give me a freaking anxiety attack, okay? Just back. Look at all these people. Look how many people we got. Dozens and dozens of people standing around working, but I'm supposed to be turning this building over on Friday so people can move into it. We're not even done. We're touching up the sheetrock. We're still trimming out plumbing, and my people are moving in furniture while the granite is being installed. Check it out. When we come in here, I'm talking about we got couches, we haven't done final paint, and there's no granite countertops in yet. So like this is how hard we're pushing to get this project done. We literally have people moving in. So we already have furniture in here. TVs are getting hung, but yet we don't have any countertops. Great news though, the countertops will be in today. Plumbers are standing by to hook up all the plumbing stuff, set the last of the appliances in. Tomorrow we'll have final painters. The next day we'll have cleaners, and then Friday we're moving in. All right, we got my sheetrocking crew. Come on, let's go say hi to them. Hola, amigos. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien. Good to see you. I'm gonna put you on YouTube, TikTok. Shh. All right, Jimmy.
What's up? What's up?
We're waiting to get these done, man. What's taking so long? Holy cow. Look, we got furniture, TVs being hung, U-Hauls full of furniture, crews working. Check them out. We got HVAC guys setting HVACs. We must have the air on in this building, waiting to get the air on in this building. Side by sides, electricians. Zach's new truck. Zach got a new truck. So Zach, the project manager, kid that's worked for me for 6 years, does an exceptional job. You guys have met him. Zach got himself a new truck on Friday. He's earned it. When you take a $5 million project and you gut it and you renovate it in 90 days, move in ready, you deserve a new truck. So if you're out there and you're wondering, hey, how do I get hooked up with a real estate investor? How do I start learning? Zach came to me 6 years ago when he graduated college and started working for free. I had no room for him, but I said, if you want to learn, you want to come on, I'll pay you for free. 2 months later, I finally put him on the payroll. That was 6 years ago. Now the kid drives around on salary in a company truck, managing multi-million-dollar projects. And he's a real estate investor. He owns rental property. All right, let's see in here. Holy cow. This is what makes me nauseous. Should we turn this fan on? Maybe not. A lot of work left in this building. It's looking good though. This is going to be their office to run the business out of. I think this is going to be more office space, but possibly, they can put a unit in here. All right, let's go take a look at what used to be the laundry mat building. Remember, we added laundry. That's another great tip, right? Another tip if you're trying to add value to a property, especially a multifamily property like this. What we've seen to add the most value is when you find a multifamily complex that doesn't have laundry, washers and dryer hookups in the units, right? You got to go to laundromat or they've got on-site laundry, right? You're never going to get out of that C+, B- category. So we always like to try, if we can, to go in and add laundry, washer and dryer hookups. And in this instance, we actually put washers and dryers in there for them. That's adding a ton of value. Woo, look at this. Now this is crazy. We got to do a before and after on this thing, man. This used to be all washers and dryers back here. We added a bathroom, all brand new electrical, so they can hang TVs on the walls, poker tables, pool tables in here. And when you're hanging out playing poker, you got to have a bathroom. We didn't want them to have to walk back to their unit. So check this out. We got a nice little half bath in there. It's looking great. All right, guys, that's the update for this week, okay? About 90 days it took us. You guys have been along the ride with me. Gutted to the studs, completely rewired, replumbed, new HVAC, everything brand new. You guys just saw the package. Just an incredible project. It instills some pride of work in me, right? I love it. I love to walk around here and be like, I can't believe we got this project done this quick. Now, it took us $1.5 million to get it there, but it's always gonna take money, right? And time. But remember, that last 10% across the finish line is usually what messes people up and gets them jammed up. So that's where we're at. So we're trying to finish strong. We've got move-ins this weekend. We're gonna work around the clock to get this project done. Thank you guys for being here. Remember, subscribe to the channel, follow for more value, hit that notification bell. We'll let you know in the next time we've got another video just like this one coming out. We'll see you guys again soon. Thanks for being here.